Hello students, today we are here again with another yoga class. This is part 14 and today you all will see cardio exercises which three students will demonstrate together, Ishani, Ishika and Rudro. Let's see what they are doing.
Good morning everyone. Myself Ishani Ghoshal of class 7.
Myself Rudra Jayaganesh of class 6. And myself Ishika Jayaganesh of class 7.
Today we would like to show you some cardio workouts. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 9. Yeah! 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 Number 10. 1, Thank you.
I hope all of you enjoyed it. So practice at home, stay fit and stay safe.